Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I've posted a project that I've been working on, but I just wanted to show you my latest project. I started sanding this probably a few weeks ago. Actually, a few weeks ago when the weather was nice, and I just finished up sanding part of it. Today I started with a 60 grit, and then went 80 grit, 120, 150, and 220 in preparation to stain this wood spool. I'm converting this wood spool. The project that I'm doing now is I'm going to convert this spool into a patio table. And I'm going to put, this is the bottom side because you can see the bolts stick up here. So I'm putting some casters, some swiveling casters I'm going to put on that what you can lock or not on the bottom here. So I just finished the sanding to stain this part because it's going to be outside. So we're going to have to put a weather seal treatment on it so that when it rains it doesn't warp the wood, and the wood will stay nice and it won't get dry rot or wood rot from being outside. So this nice pine, it's a fairly sturdy old wood spool. Got it from a friend. She works for a wire and cable company installing solar panels, and so they had this left over. It's a good sturdy one. If you're wanting to do this type of a project, find one that's not wobbly, that's good and sturdy, so that all you need to do is do the prep work to the sanding to get down to a nice smooth finish where the stain and the water resistant, the water treatment, weatherization treatment will hold, and so that it's nice and smooth. So I've done this on the underneath side. The part that's on the bottom here is going to be the top of the table, because once I put the wheels on, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to adhere a piece of plywood. As you can see, there's little dips and things on this side. It's the same on the other. And I'm going to put a flat piece of plywood, adhere a flat piece of plywood to the top portion, so that I can put some mosaic tiles on top of it. So this is going to be a multiple step project, and I just wanted to update you on what the latest project is and show you what I've done so far. We've gotten a lot of the rough areas that were really rough nice and smoothed out now, so you don't feel any rough edges. So the next step is going to be staining this bottom portion, getting it sealed, and then once it's all dry, putting the wheels on this part so that I can flip it over and then get to sanding on the underneath. As you can see, it's quite different and it's rough. Sanding the underneath portion of the bottom, this middle section, and get that piece of plywood adhered to the top so we can start doing the mosaic tiles. So until next time, guys, have a great one, and I hope you enjoy these updates and these projects that I have been doing with you, and please hit the red subscribe button to follow the rest of this project. Until next time, have a good one.